Mkhwanazi sent a message at 22:38 in the evening. He sends it a WhatsApp to Madlanga indicating that the task team that came to your house and harassed you has been dissolved or disbanded. That's a message that is written by Mr. Mkhwanazi to Mr. Madlanga.
In general, by this point, you still don't know.
We don't know anything.
You only came to know about it on the 2nd of January.
Exactly.
The disbandment decision, that is.
Exactly. And from the record, as we investigate, commissioners, I can confirm most likely, I'm not saying that is the truth, that even the National Commissioner's Office that were recipient of the letter that was dispatched on the 31st, they received it late in the afternoon, I think after 4. So ordinarily, people working in the office by that time, it's a New Year's Eve, they're most likely not in the office, but that's when it was dispatched from the Chief of Staff to the office of the National Commission. But Mkhwanazi knows about it on a public holiday. And there's no one in the office then, in the evening, he then sends this message to Kat Madlanga. So if I move forward, commissioners,
you should now be at your paragraph 209.
Oh yeah, yes, Madlanga then gave a response, but his response was not on the 1st, it was the following day, the 2nd of January. And he wrote on his message response, "Oh really? I see you tried calling me last night. When is this happening?" This is Madlanga asking Mkhwanazi, and Mkhwanazi responded on his WhatsApp. He says, they got the letter on Monday. As we speak, they are bringing all the dockets to Spear. So I'm bringing this to the commissioners. This is a person who's not in the police. He already demonstrated, he sent me the copy of the OPs and the likes a year before. And now he's talking about the dismantlement of the units and the dockets that are moving to Spear. Although a couple of months later, General Spear write letters demanding these dockets must come from KZN and come up. So Mkhwanazi already knew that it's going to happen. It's here, and it's written.